You hear that sizzle? Alright, what's up, Mug Gang? We're actually in a different area from what we're used to, because Henry here is taking me to Haven City, which is a specialty food market, and we're about to go on a little food tour. Let's do it. Smell good in here? Bro, there's so many choices in here. This place is huge. You hear that sizzle? The ASMR.
With this shit.
We got our first dish. I'm not going to pick it up because it's actually a sizzling plate. Super hot. Smells delicious though. But yeah, guys, this is the Haven City Market. It's like a indoor mall of sorts for food. It's actually really big and it smells super good in here. But yeah, guys, I'm about to try the first bite of the sizzling plate right here. Yup. There's like egg in here, rice, corn, some steak, I'm assuming. It's pretty rare. Let's taste it. They're delicious, guys. I don't know if you guys saw before, but the steak was rare and it was just sizzling, cooking on the plate. It's just super fresh. I'm trying to think of what meat this is. It kind of tastes like brisket. Yeah, there's also egg in here too. Ooh, it's super hot though. Of course, right? Sizzling plate. So we're trying to get a little bit of everything from all the shops that are in here. But yeah, here comes Henry. He's coming in with what do he got? Is that the Taiwanese thing? Oh, the pork belly. Aw, shit. Here it comes. Alright.
Just kept on ordering a lot more while we walked around in circles.
Kept on ordering?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There we go.
The sizzling plate was from Sizzle. And then we got the JoJo's, what is this? Pork belly, it's like a Taiwanese spot. And then we got the Korean barbecue at this place called Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. We might get some more stuff too, but this is just our starters.
From Yummy?
Yeah, there's also like a bar in here, like an arcade. It's like basketball hoops, ping pong, bars, dessert. So we're probably gonna get either some dessert after this.
This looks good.
Or a beer.
Oh wow.
Wait, what is this? Let me try this out. Yeah, I'm gonna try this out, guys.
It's like a pancake.
I guess this is Korean food since it's called the KBBQ. This looks like bulgogi. It is indeed bulgogi.
Isn't this a Korean pancake?
Is bulgogi served on a kimchi pancake? I think so.
Well, that was a big onion. Was it?
Oh. Oh shit.
Bruh.
Bruh. It's getting messy. This is Henry, if you guys haven't met him already. You might have noticed him from the Impossible Challenge vlog. But yeah, he's our host for today. He took us here. I've never been here before, but
Me neither.
I'm pretty impressed from what I've seen. Yeah, there's just food everywhere. Good food and good vibes. Try another piece of this pancake.
Try this out.
So this is Taiwanese food. I think braised pork belly with pickled cabbage and radish and rice, served with a braised egg. My favorite. I love these eggs. I'm gonna split it for you though. There you go. Down the middle. Salud. The traditional Taiwanese soy sauce egg never fails to amaze me.
I felt like we could have like picked option out of one store, but everything looks so good here.
Yeah, everything looks so good, so we had to go to different places for that variety, you know. But we ended up getting all Asian food, huh?
Yeah, there's like kinda. Yeah, with the rice and stuff, but there's like pastas and like taco stuff too.
Yeah, there's tacos,
There's
Mexican
like a French
food,
fries joint or something like that. Or I mean,
American food.
Yeah,
Oh, there's burger, wings. There's some crepes over there.
boba afterwards if you're done eating.
That's Asian food though.
That's
But you know, of course,
there's coffee too.
we had to get Asian food for the Asians. Pork belly, so it's really tender and juicy. It's delicious. What do you say is your favorite dish?
I'd say
Yeah, the sizzle.
the sizzle.
Yeah, I really like the sizzle too.
Just I don't know, just something about it. Presentations, taste.
Yeah, this is like the over easy egg melted with the rare steak and rice. It's a perfect combo right there. It's like an Asian steak and eggs. This would be really good.
You know you're supposed to wear that over your head while you eat it?
You're not. I actually look like the Krispy Kreme hat for a second. This would be perfect with soy sauce, but I'm too lazy to go get it. Too comfortable eating here.
Really? It's already like hit with garlic butter or something like that.
I think the over easy egg became like almost scrambled on the
Yeah, you're supposed to
sizzling
scramble
plate.
it. That's how you described it. I said flip the beef and then scramble the eggs, then mix the butter well with the rice.
I wish we could try one thing from every shop here. My stomach just doesn't have that capacity, guys. There's so many restaurants in here, or whatever they're called, stalls. Pork belly's marinated in like this sweet, tangy
They actually put the whole video
Taiwanese
of, like,
soy sauce.
Us eating.
The mukbang. Try the egg. I'll feed you. Try it. Get it.
Damn, the rice is pretty good when it like heats up at the bottom. It's like crispy.
Oh yeah, it's like crispy rice at the bottom, right?
It's like lucked in Thai when we give you that crispy rice.
That crispy.
It's nice too because it's like a little buttered up and peppered.
It's crunchy. I think we did a pretty good job on these plates. We're almost finished. I think it's dessert time, guys. What do you think? Dessert time? Dessert time? Are you ready for dessert time, Henry?
Are you ready for dessert time?
Debating whether to get boba or ice cream. Comment down below what's your preference. Ice cream or
Oh,
boba?
I'm getting boba.
Boba?
In the way.
That's a tough one, guys. Always a tough choice. Ice cream or boba.
So he guess what being
Here's
right.
this pancake. Alright, now we're gonna try this freaking huge ass acai bowl for our dessert. What is this? It's like, what is this? Is this the Super Bowl? It was like their number one.
Life bowl.
The Life Bowl is their number one recommended option. So let's see.
Yeah.
There's so
It's
much
supposed to
going on
cure.
here.
It's supposed to give you like 10 more years of life.
Apparently, there's so much going on here. I think I see chia seeds. I taste some nuts.
Bro, you know what this reminds me of? Of the senzu bean.
Senzu bean. Some strawberries. What's this brown stuff right here? Is this peanut butter or chocolate? Actually, I think it's peanut butter. Or it's almond butter.
Yeah.
Look at this, guys. This acai bowl is pretty OP. It's like everything you can find on the ground in this acai bowl. Fire. Fire, fire.
I feel like that's like the whole thing of acai bowls. Mix that shit up. But what's this purple stuff though? Bro, I'm blanked out when looking at the menu. Oh, fuck, coronavirus.
What's that purple stuff?
It's
Henry got that coronavirus right here.
I need to switch over to Modelo's.
This looks like a whole different beast after Henry just mixed it up. Look at this. It's all purple now.
Bro, I think it's ice cream she put in or something. It's bomb.
It looks like alien juice.
You're eating like a white girl,
What do you mean?
like a valley girl, where you're just picking up the dragon fruit. It's supposed to go in.
Am I being racist though?
No, just kidding.
I'm just kidding. It was a perfect snack for a hot summer day. It's nice and cool, except it's not summer, but we live in California, so it's basically always summer. Summer Walker, Yummy remix. This is that Yummy right here. Have you seen that? Have you heard the remix?
No, I have
Summer
not.
Walker remix of Yummy? It's fire,
It's
bro.
good?
You guys should
You
hit
should
up the
play it.
remix.
I mean, oh, you can't copyright issues. But Dan, just give us a quick sample of how it would be, or how it would sound.
I got that yummy, 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 yummy. Bro, good thing we shared this. This is huge.
No, I can finish this. It's bomb. It's like, I don't know what the purple stuff is, but it's hella good.
I don't know what the purple stuff is.
But it's like,
It's delicious.
oh my god, look at.
I'd imagine that's what crack tastes like. This might be the best acai bowl I've tasted, but I don't really get acai bowls that much.
That tastes better. Just kidding.
Huh?
This is pretty good.
You pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
I don't know what this is, guys. It's super good. If you guys know what it is, comment down below. Let me know. No, I'm serious. What is this purple stuff? It's not the dark purple stuff. It's the light purple stuff on the side. So I don't think it's acai. Something else. Thank you guys for watching Mukbang.
Mukbang.
Mukbang for the Mukbang. If you guys want to see more videos, like this video.
Gang.
Comment down below where you guys want us to try next. And subscribe for more food vlogs. You guys thought we were done after that acai bowl, right? Wrong. We actually went to get some boba. We're back. What'd you get, Henry?
I got a strawberry fruit tea.
Alright, we're leaving for real now, guys. Say goodbye to Haven City. This is actually cookies and cream. I'm very excited to try this. I've never tried cooking cream boba. There's actually ice cream at the bottom too. You see this? This looks fire. Gotta try this cooking cream boba. I've never had cooking cream boba before, but cooking cream is my favorite ice cream flavor, and I really enjoy boba, so it should be a treat. Oh my gosh. Oreo milkshake with boba. It's pretty crazy. But yeah, guys. Goodbye for real now. Deuces.